before. The engineers drew diagrams. The sky was already experimenting. Light fell like quiet currency, rain fell like percussion. One whispered energy, one struck the roof like a drummer asking entry. And somewhere between photon and drop, a question formed: why do we harvest only half the sky? Used to mean stillness, a flat obedient window drinking daylight, panels like silent monks kneeling toward the sun's long sermon. But storms arrived with a different theology. Tap, 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 1,000 small collisions, writing Morse code on the roof, each drop a messenger of motion, each impact bending the surface just enough to whisper charge. Not lightning, smaller than breath but persistent, a language of content. Because some materials remember touch, they build static from friction, translate pressure into current. A bend becomes a signal becomes a spark, and suddenly rain is not interruption, it's percussion. So build a panel that listens when the sky knocks twice, let sunlight ride its quiet voltage through crystalline veins. Let rain arrive like fingertips tapping hidden drums beneath the skin. One device to weather hymns, the light that feeds the day, the storm that refuses silence. Energy and brightness, energy and falling water. No forecast wasted. If the sun is a painter and the rain is a drummer, let the roof be the instrument. Imagine the surface, not rigid glass alone, but a living membrane layered thin, a flexible lattice resting above the solar heart. Raindrops land and the skin trembles, microscopic flecks barely visible, but in that bend electrons migrate like startled birds. Triboelectric whispers, contact, separation, charge, tiny pulses scatter through the circuitry. Storm beats translated into electricity, a roof learning rhythm. Where once the cloud meant loss of output, now it means variation. Sun becomes baseline, rain becomes syncopation, weather stops being enemy and becomes collaborator. Build the panel that harvests arguing between sky and earth, let photons thread their steady river through the crystalline grid. Let raindrops strike the trembling skin and send their coded shiver into dialects of energy, spoken by the same horizon. Blue sky, choir, thunderstorm, percussion, a house listening upward, translating weather into power. The sun writes voltage and rain writes rhythm. Let invention learn to read both. The old systems ask for certainty, clear days, predictable angles, forecast obedience, but the atmosphere